gonna fly by real quick.
You're giving people rights?
No, we're just doing it for. He's videotaping. Yeah.
You gave me a ride. I appreciate it.
You know what? Ask him right there, Todd. Same car, the green one. Todd, hold on. Todd, give him a ride.
This is really low.
Huh?
This is really low to the ground.
Yeah.
Seeing the car outside of it doesn't look as low as you think it is.
For too much of a turn.
600 horsepower for you.
I can't even get into it all the way.
Mustang.